Hi, on this video I'm going to show you how to convert IP address into the binary. So let's start. So we got some. Okay, so as I mentioned, I will explain you how to convert IP into binary. Then the very popular questions on the exams are class of address, network address, direct broadcast address, and default subnet mask. Okay, so let's start from the sample IP address. This is IP version 4, and it will be 115.23.103.61. Okay, so basically, if you know how to subtracting, you shouldn't have any issues doing it. Okay, first of all, you have to make a small list which help you with it. Okay, 128.64, you just divide by 2 from 128, yeah, at 32, at 16, at 8, at 4, you don't need to put dot actually, 4 to 1. Okay, it's 8 of them, so it's obvious I don't need to 8 of them. I don't need to explain it, yeah. Okay, so first of all, we check how many times 128 is 115. It's 0 times, okay. Then how many times 64 is in 115 is 1, okay, 1. So now we have to subtract, okay, 115 minus 64, okay, 115 minus 64, it's 51. Okay, so how many 32 is in the 51? It's 1, okay, so 51 minus 32, it's 19, okay. Now, how many 16 is in 19? Of course, it's 1 time, so 19 minus 16 is 3. So how many 8 in 3 is 0? How many 4 in 3 is 0? How many 2 in 3? 1. And how many 1 in 1 is of course 1. So you got 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so this one is done. And we have to follow with others. It's the same, like we got 23 here, so 128 in 23 is 0. Wait. It's 0. And then 64 in 23 is 0. 32 in 23 is 0. Without the dots, okay. And 16 in 23 is 1. We still have 7, so 8 in 7 is 0, 4 in 7 is 1, and we got 3, so 2 in 3 is 1, and this 1. And this checked, yeah. And now we check the other one, which is 103, 128 in 103, 0, 64 in 103 is 1, so 103 minus 64, yeah, it's 39. Okay, 32 in 39 is 1, so 39 minus 32 is 7. Okay, so 16 in 7 is 0, okay. 8 in 7 is 0, 4 is 1 time, 2 is 1 time, and then it's 1, okay. Okay, it's checked. Then you got 61, the last one to check, okay. So 128 in 61, 0 times, okay. Then we have 64 and 61, 0. 32 and 61 is 1. 61 minus 32, it's 23, eh? What 23? It's 29, sorry, I messed it up, yeah? 29. What was that? 32 is 1, yeah? Then you got 29. 16 in 29 is 1. 29 minus 16 is 13. Yeah? Okay, so 8 in 13 is 1. Then we got like a 5, yeah? 4 in 5 is 1. 2 in 1 is 0. And 1 in 1 is 1. Okay, so if the first question was binary, then we have like a 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 dot 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 dot 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 dot 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, if I make mistake, sorry for that, but I'm recording this video second time as before some part of it was recorded, so I have to start again. Okay, so first question is answered. You can get up to 5% just for this question if you just start studying IT in the first semester. Okay, so now we have to check the class. Let's say the question is the class of address. Class of address. Okay. So we got 5 different classes from A to E. I will write down here A, B, C, D, E. Yeah. So how to recognize which class is the IP? We just look at the first one, okay, first part, which is in that case is 115.23 dot something, okay. So we just look at the first one, okay, this one we are interested in to check the class, okay. So if the first one is between 1 and 126, it's class A. Is it between 128 and 191, it's class B. If it's between 192 and 223, it's class 3. If it's 224, between 224 and 239, it's class D, which is like a multicast class, so you're not really interested in it, you're just interested in those 3 classes, okay. And the last one is experimental, like for research, from 240 to 255, okay. So this is like experimental, yeah, X. So 115 is obviously between 1 and 126, so the answer will be class A. Okay, class A. We got another points on the exam, okay. The other question you can get on the exam is network address. Okay, so network address, direct broadcast address, and default subnet mask. So maybe let's start from subnet mask. So subnet mask is the easiest of them all. You just look at the class. So if class is A, then you get subnet mask. Let me see here. For class A, 255.0 255.0.0. If it's class B, it's 255.255.0.0. If it's class C, then you got 255.255.0. Then it's class C. So it's obviously it's class A. So the answer will be this. You just write this 255.0.0.0. Okay. So we got subnet mask. And now let's say network address. So network address, what we're gonna do in network address, we just exchange this one from the mask. 255 we exchange to the stuff from IP. So if it's class A, we just put 115.000.000. If it was class B, then we have to put like 115.25. You know, if it was class C, then we have to write this, this, and this, and then left 0. Okay, so it's very easy. So we got another points for this. Okay, and the last stuff is direct broadcast address. It's completely the same as a network address. The difference is instead of zeros we put 255. So in case of this, it will be 115.255.255.255. So we got all of them. Binary plus 5 points from the exam. So you should get like 10% of total from it. It's a good beginner, you know.